Hadian kajing up kami lenti kabalala da ki pau snam banyo e ka surok ka bha na mau karwat chakram shawailoi mat menta ka sngi ka khanyo tere unai lar a ja open riew kala long kajing kerku bat jingkemen na ka benta ki paidbah jang ka southwest khasil district ha ka ba Conrad sangma ubade umintri rangba ka jilla Meghalaya ulawan banbu yo mau nongrim man shnai ka surok wailoi chakram mau karwat sharang thong ka bajngai gomba saupo kilometer ha ka jingmang pisa ka bashispa saupo kulur tingka laban kedo badakani ka project banchna panbhai ka surok wailoi chakram mau karwat sharang thong kan salong ka wei na ki project badan jikerku ka bakrawi ki paidbah no shongshnong Lyngba ka yat ka yeng jongki bat ban kentiu ka roi ka par ha ki shnong bat ki dong ki thaiñ baro Hakini ka jingbu ya umau nongrim jang ka surok la dan lang ru uba prestun tensong ubade usambut menteri rangba ka jilla Meghalaya kung usambut kongsan ka kong AL Maulong IAS Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasil District uba Bijarwa MPS Superintendent jangki pulit ka Southwest Khasil District uba Reniktan Lingdo Tongkhar MLA ka Mawphor constituency uba Olan Singsun MLA ka Mawsenram constituency Pak Pius Marwen MLA MDC Jangkaranikor constituency uba BMCN Secretary PWD upa EM Nyandrus EM Yong CM Jong Maharam CM Ship lambat ki wedi ki officer sorkar ki paidbah na kalengkishnong ki balawan sakhi ha kani kasngi
Iba long dereng, iba smart, may presito. But when you don't get it, you put it on. But the kurong it is the way it is. Our Honorable Chief Minister, I cannot forget the day when I traveled with him on his car on 28 July 2021 when I had an opportunity to travel along with him from Shillong to Mawphor. And I tried my best to convince him to understand how important is this road. 2021, when I traveled with him from Shillong to Mawphor, and I got a chance to speak again and again to make him understand how important is this road. And from his body language, I could understand from that very letter that you have agreed to me that yes, this road is so important. And I'm happy to recall again that in the last corner we got sanction from that moment up to Lyngba, for which you have seen a better road now. And I'm happy to tell you, and we hope that the road from Lyngba to Mawphor it will be even better than that. That's what we hope, that this road from Lyngba to Mawphor up to Rangkong, it will be better than that road from Mawphor to Lyngba. So once again, I want to express my sincere thanks to Honorable Chief Minister, who understand the need and the importance of this road.
Wilayah Apruk Lakam Slem. Nakwa ban ong tam kawai, baka sorkar hapok jelam jong chief minister. Nilala menta kasngi ban penurlong ya kata kajing anut jong di paidbah ka southwest Hasils Parokoi. Agaba ngin sastan norsyen ya kata kasulok nang tay na po welor. Anu haran thong, bat kabingwa ban bu ya target balakum lukno, usnen 8,000 atunyo ngide bat pendet ya kanita project barok kawen. Bat laganila ban let kunta, kernet ken kan loga jimen toy, ya kanita tan jompi barok kawen. Adu kini kisni kiba menta. Dia kita suruh kaba khubor kaba orang, don di don di riew, don di sah, kita lai project lai posi. Enlei kemana om ya pi, uterus net mubat hamar, kermen skem, baka southwest Hasils, kaba Daeru, ka district headquarter Hanke, hapo Mawphor, kanyo ya ka cingkerku kaba puna. Kabenta kabaan mengenai MLE jom keraniko di lantai keren. Ïadei kasurok ban penhek siu ban konek adu angke hapok raniko. Kabadon kumalai posan lai pot riew kilometer. Naduh ramtong adu kate jaka kabandadon lepa kado beling. Mentang ibu ke priority. Hakabangin penrung hakabol dan kafis kabaan. Bajakan ibu omslen. Hakabangin pet ban pembit ban pembiang. Jaka sorbi namba inyo sanction kamploi baru banyo ban pendet yang ada sulok kloi kakmala. Kadir kalau kita khubor kalau nakwa banyak bukti di lesi tinong ramikor tidak konten bisnisnya tenre yai up yai shah tapi nakalian jor sorkar kalau ya kan program kaba hakmat ban pentina ban pendet ya kan kesulok abu hadu araniko nakwa ru banyak ru jadi banang te na weloi hadu kasnong langwan road katenda bila rekod Muslim su kaling ai work order kanir kali bakit wan jok walban bat nanta kabenta kabaa naduh langwan roy kaban konek dian hari nikor ya kakam mentana sedang lesi ladon nak den joki kibayat Lyngba jom kate jaga POE ba ka construction work kala sedang shah di kanir di pawai ka khubor ka babah kabakatrak badia tu bi ban kalian jom sorkar kakwa ban ai ya kababhata na karunta kapit kabiang jom ki paidbah nongsynshar jom kanikatai bakawai ha shwa jom ar hajar khatra ki paidbah bagi na karai niya kemawa apo jom ar hajar khatra harmi paidin ia ia kecing kabak rau kiba ka southwest hasil sekali penuh Lyngba ong ia pi adin baka sorkar kabangila simti hapo kacinalam jong Conrad sama ia ia kecing kena ia kadur ia kadar menai ngajar kerteng ipain kum ia ka college Batu ilajer kerteng yang way to way that ikam di mana kalian cumi kesorka nilai. Dengan kuat bantong ya pi paidbah baki. Inyo ya kajingkel na joka southwest hasil. Sa kiyat snem nande sharma. Bagi ya rengkat do. Baki way to way pat di district Ibadon apo
It has been the endeavor and efforts of our MDA government to ensure that no area, no district is left behind. Traditionally, what people used to see as corners districts, remote districts, be it South Garo Hills, be it Southwest Khasi Hills, be it the northern western tip of West Garo Hills, be it the extreme end of East Jente Hills. These areas used to be seen as remote, neglected and backward districts. But our government has ensured that for us, our vision should start with those remote districts. Just about a month back, I was in East Jente Hills. And the Sutunga Saipung Road in that area, which has been a huge and a very big demand of the people in that area. We laid the foundation stone for that road about 2 months back. And hundreds of people gathered out there. And our local MLA, Conrad, she said in a speech that I never expected and never could imagine that this road could ever be sanctioned. This road has never been made. It was made maybe 30 years back, but never was done after that. But this government did it. I was in Baghmara on Meghalaya Day, 21st of January. And I went intentionally to Baghmara to let people of Baghmara and the state know that every Meghalaya Day, CM will not be only in Shillong. Meghalaya is beyond Shillong also. So Chief Minister must go to Baghmara, must go to Mawphor, must go to different locations on Meghalaya Day. So I went and I spent Meghalaya Day in Baghmara. And I told the people of Baghmara that I will ensure, because I got a complaint that day about the civil hospital there. I told them that we will ensure that your civil hospital, the Baghmara Civil Hospital, will become one of the best in the entire state. And today work has started. The different accommodations are being repaired. The old building that was in dilapidated condition is being repaired. An additional sanction of close to 75 crores is being worked out along with donor ministry to build up new facilities in Baghmara Hospital. So like that, our development agenda has been spread across. And I'm happy to inform you that in the last 8 years from 2018, close to 850 crores worth of projects, about 150 of them have been done in Southwest Khasi Hills. Just in Southwest Khasi Hills, 850 crores worth of infrastructure projects. And this, my friends, is one of the highest sanctions that this area has ever seen in the last 54 years. The road has been one of the major areas for us. Recently, in the Independence Day speech, I mentioned that we have constructed over 3,200 kilometers of roads in the last 8 years. If you do a bit of calculation, that is almost 1.1 kilometer of road every day was constructed in Meghalaya in the last 8 years. This has never happened. But it is because of the commitment, the hard work, and our desire to see Meghalaya rise to the top. That vision, that goal, that dream, that is what is pushing us today. And I must thank our Deputy Chief Minister, Dr. Song, and the entire PWD department. Under his leadership, the PWD department has done wonders. We've always believed that roads are the beginning of any kind of development that we can imagine, and the biggest development that we can imagine. Once connectivity is there, everything else follows.